Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this maximize the array problem of GFG. So guys, let's move on to the problem. So guys, here we are given two vector, two array ARR1 and ARR2 of both of size n, and we have to find out other vector answer, other vector of size n, like as is given answer array1. This is array1 of size n. This is array 2 of size n. Now we have to find out my answer vector of size n, who will first contain all the element of 2, all the element of 2, then contain all the element of then contain some element of 1, some element of 2, then some element of 1, so that total number of element we have is n, and all elements should occur in place, means the order of element come in AR1 and AR2 will be same here, like here our AR2 is this, then three elements we are taken from AR 9, 7 and 6. Then it means first of all, because we are taken in as a order 9, 7, 6, then index of 9 should be less than index of 7 and less than 6, means 6 has the greater index, means 6 will come in the last among these, then 7 will come in last from 9, and 9 is the first element in my subsequence. Then I will go 7, then I will go 6. Okay, I hope you understand. Similarly for AR2, we are taken two variables, 4 and two element 4 and 8 of AR1, and 4 and 8 are in order here. Now what is the condition of choosing these an element? We have to choose those an element whose sum is maximum, whose sum is maximum from all cases of this an element. So what we are given to an element, we have to choose an element among them whose sum is maximum. So we can say we have to choose an maximum element, we have to choose an maximum element. Okay, so now it is understandable. Now maximum element from some element from ARR1 and other from ARR2. Okay, this in place order is not that important, because if you once select some element of ARR1, then you can in placely, like if in array you have order like 7, 6 and 2, like this 7, 6, 2, and in your array it is come like 6, 7, 2, 6. Now you will, according to indexing, you can reorder them in 7, 6, 2. Okay, so your final answer will look like this. So in order can always be done by us. Okay, it is very simple. Now what is very important, we have to find out n element whose sum is maximum. So means we have to find out the n maximum element among two array ARR1 and ARR2. Now how we will select n top element? So as first of all, what we will do, like I will take the example here. Okay, I'm taking the example here so that it is very helpful for me. Okay guys, so guys, here what is doing, now we are taken other vector. Now I just see the name, I just want to check the name is temp. Okay, I am taken is name. So I make a new vector temp who will contain all of these elements, okay, who will contain all of these elements. So it will contain from 7 to 1 and from 9 to 6. Okay, now what I will do, I will sort it, then I will sort it. So I will sort it in reverse order. So now my temp array will look like 0, I am sorting in reverse order, 9, then 8, then 7 two times, 9, 8, 7, 7, then 6, then 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So total number of is 2n. Okay, these all are different number. So these are different number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it means and one more condition given here, one more condition, all the n numbers should be different, that's the most important condition. Okay, now you can see we have to taken first 5 element, because n is our 5 and we have to taken 5 element. But now here you have to check whether some element occurring twice or thrice. So you will check. So what you will do, you will put out all the elements from starting in a set till the size of our set is not is equal to n. Now we will put 9. 9, okay. Now size is 1, so we will not grow. Now we will put 8. Set will contain the only one occurrence. If we give 700 times, 1000 times, lakh time, then it will only contain one occurrence. Okay, it's so I have already contained, so I will not mark it. So I will not contain it again and again. I will add 7, so it will contain 7. Now I am at this 7, it already contains 7, so it will not affected. Set is not affected here. Then I will contain 6. Now I will add 4, so I will contain 4. So now you can see the size of my set will become 5. Will become 5. That is, what is 5 here? What is 5 here? 5 is the size of the n. 5 is the n. Okay. So now what we will do, it means only these element will come in my answer. 98764, you can see these element 98764, only these 5 element is in my answer. Now how we will find out in place, because it will contain it is the set of temp, and temp is the vector of arr1 and arr2, and after sorting, their index got shuffled. So their index got shuffled. Okay guys, so how we will do now, what we will do, we will take a variable, we will take our final answer. Now vector set. Now I will again copy, just okay. Okay guys, so what I will do, I will take an answer. Now what I will do guys, because you can see, first of all I have to should contain the element of arr2 first, followed by element of arr1. Means all the element of arr2 come first, then all the element of arr1 are come. Okay, so first of all I will traverse through all the element of my arr2 and check whether they are come in my set, because I know only these are the maximum element in my answer. Different n element in my answer. Okay, possible, because I have to take n different maximum element, because I have to make my sum maximum. Now I will check for 9. 9 is come in my set. Yes, 9 is come. So after take a 9, what I will do, I will delete it from my set. Now my set will not contain 9. Now 7 is come in my answer. Now why I am deleting it, I will tell you. I am not deleting it yet. Okay, now 7 is my answer. 7 is my, yes, 7 is my set. Yes, 7 is my set. So I will add 7. Now 2 no, no 2 in my set. 3 no, 3 is not in my set. Now for 6, yes, 6 is my set. So I have completed traverse ARR2. Now I will traverse till ARR1. Now 7, yes, 7 is in my answer. 4, yes, 4 is in my answer. Now 8, yes, 8 is also in my answer. 0 no, 1 0. So you can see these three are element in order. Okay, these three element in order occurring in my, these are element of arr1 in order, because I am start traversing from minimum index, so they will by default come in place. In placement in same order as they appear as a subsequence in arr1. Now these are element of arr2, but you can see here we got answer size at 6, but we need size only 5. So what is the mistake? But what is the mistake? I am telling you, after taking 9, if we delete 9, after taking 7, if we delete 7, after taking 2, if we don't have 2, we don't have 3, now we have 6, we delete 6. Now when we are come at 8 arr1, 7 come, so we can see we have only two element, 8 and 4, we don't have any 7, so we will not take this 7, we will not take this 7. Now at 4, yes, we have 4, we will delete 4. 8, yes, we will have 8. Now 0, we don't have any 0. 1, we don't have any 1. So this is 9 7 6 6 4 8 is my answer. Is my answer, you can see. Okay, so this is the way how I will solve my problem. So guys, you can see, first of all I take a set and a temp. In temp I am push back all the element of arr1 and arr2. Now I am sort it in reverse order. How reverse order? I am sorting it r begin. R begin means first of all sort them, then make them reverse, or sort them in reverse order. Means first element is the maximum and the last element is the minimum. Now for all the 2n element in my temp, I will insert one by one in my temp, and as my set size is equal to n, I will break. Means I got enough element, I got all the element that will come in my answer. Okay, I got all the 5 element that will come in my answer. Okay, and because set contain different element and it contain because of a sorted because temp is a sorted array, so it means all n element in my set are the maximum array, are the maximum element, and total element are n. So it means we got n different maximum element. Okay, from our ARR1 as well as ARR2. Okay, so now I will take my vector answer int. Then for I is equal to 0 to n, I will check for all the ARR2. For all the ARR2, if my s dot find ARR2 I is not is equal to s dot n, means I have ARR2 ith element of array 2 in my set, then I will push back this to my answer and erase this element. Okay, I tell you why erase, as well 7 will occur 2 times. Okay, similarly for ARR1 I am doing, I'm checking if ith element of my ARR1 is in my set, then I will push back it in my answer and erase it from the set. Then I just return answer. Why I am erasing it? Because once if I take on a element ARR2, then I don't want to take it in ARR1 again. Okay, so you got correct answer I am getting. So guys, you can see all the 138 cases pass out. So I hope you all understand it. This is not so much hard problem, but yeah, have some good functionality of vector array set, or you can solve it by priority queue. Okay, there are many ways to solve this particular problem. So I hope you all understand this. And if you still have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Meanwhile, you can please subscribe the channel. Yes, if you like the content, then you have to definitely subscribe the channel, because it motivates me to make more these type of content. You can like the video and please comment out if you understand the approach. Thank you for watching this, guys.